Mommy duck has 7 eggs in her nest. She is very happy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little yellow ducklings, but one egg is big and gray. He is big. He is gray. He is ugly. He is different, but he is your brother. Be kind to him. All the ducklings walk with Mommy Duck. They go to the water.
Mommy Duck takes the ducklings to the farm. All the farm animals look at them. The ugly duckling feels sad. He walks away from the farm. The animals follow him.
It is autumn now. The ugly duckling is tired. He goes into a house.
Hello, old lady. Hello, dog. Hello, cat. Who are you? I'm the ugly duckling. You are this. You are great. You are ugly. Go away, ugly duckling.
Ugly duckling walks and walks. He meets some frogs near a pond.
Hello, who are you? I'm the ugly duckling. You are big and green and ugly. Ugly duckling, go away. Go away.
It is winter. The ugly duckling is cold and tired. He goes into a farmhouse.
Yes, but he is cold. Let's help him. Yeah, I've got some. Let's help him. No, let me go. The ugly duckling runs away again.
He hides near a river or winter. It's very cold. He feels so lonely and sad, but he waits for spring.
Go.
It's spring now.
The ugly duckling.
The ugly duckling walks to the river.
2 beautiful swans. Swim on the water. Okay.
Look, what a beautiful swan!
Beautiful swan.
A beautiful swan.
Where?
Where?
You.
What you?
You are
You are
a beautiful swan.
No, I'm not a swan. I am an ugly duck. No, you're not that way.
You are a swan.
You're a swan. A beautiful one swan. Look with the one.
Yes.
Oh yes,
I'm a swan.
I'm a swan.
ugly.
Not ugly. One more.
Applause, χειροκρότημα.